is siding right here. You see it?
Oh. Alright, so I'm on the backside of Hogsmeade right now, next to the Harry Potter castle here. Family already went down to Mario, the Mario area. That's because not too much a fan of Harry Potter, but I enjoy it, so I wanted to come see it. It's fun. I did the hippogriff ride, or the other one, the simulated. Wait line's too long, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go meet up with family now.
Keep your hands and feet inside the train at all times. Now we're making our way here to 2 Let's take a look around here. I see some street signs, posters. Looks like we're in some kind of subway. You can see back there in the left corner, the cameras are set up, lighting's good to go. We've even got craft services over here for the actors, wardrobe on standby. Again, all the director would have to do is pretty much just call action and they'll get to filming at any second. But let's see, I see some of the crews here. Sorry guys, I'm gonna stop saying the word action here. Hold on. Looks like they caught the shark that was bugging the townspeople. But don't worry, we got police divers in the water. They're gonna check and make sure everything's A-okay with you guys for your vacations again. If you maybe need a place to visit. Wait a second, folks. There is a rather large fin in the water. Definitely not a goldfish. Well, there's our buddy George. Hey George, you might want to get out of the... George! Why? We had a lot of guts going in there. There they are. Alright guys, there is still a shark in the water, so make sure you keep your hands inside the tram at all times. Gosh, car 4, watch out! Did you guys make it? I guess my secret is out. I did bring you all here as shark bait today. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Although you did feel terrified. I saw your faces. Rest assured you're okay. Take a look to your right back there. That's the only shark in the world that can do the backstroke. Because he's a fully mechanical shark. From master filmmaker Spielberg. As we enter the War of the Worlds set, one of the sets from his 2005 sci-fi epic. Take a look around. It's one of the largest sets ever created at that time. Here's Spielberg and production designer Rick Carter to tell you more.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision that Stephen had.
When we first began to sit down to talk about the War of the Worlds, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. Oh, you're doing good. Keep your eyes on me. Listen, listen. I want you to close your eyes, okay? Okay, I'm closed. Robbie, get in. Get in.
Another great example of production design and art direction, as the sets there dressed with about 3 or 4 times more debris than there is now. To your left, you're seeing an actual real Boeing 747 that Spielberg and team purchased from an airplane graveyard in the Mojave Desert, a few hours north of here. If you didn't know, those are a thing. Once planes are decommissioned, they gotta go somewhere. They purchased it for about $60,000. It costs about $200,000 though to have it shipped here to the lot. It's always those shipping and handling fees you gotta watch out for. They had to divide it up into about 4 sections and slice off the tops of them just to get them under the overpasses on the highway. And Spielberg used that to his advantage and made it seem like it was the aliens in the film that did that. But that is bringing us to the conclusion of our tour for today. Again, on behalf of myself, JT, and your driver, Jessica, I hope you guys had fun with us, getting a little sneak peek behind the scenes here at, again, a working movie studio. Whether this is your first time to see a movie studio or not, I hope you guys had fun, maybe learned something new, or just had a nice 45 minutes to kind of sit back and relax. Again, take a look to your right, get a glimpse there one more time. Universal Studios here at Universal Studios Hollywood, entertainment capital of LA.